Bullish unit cost expectation for 2023 explicitly is $7.627 to $10.010, which certainly is genuinely huge. Uniswap unit cost could reach $10 soon. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Negative unit cost expectation for 2023 basically is $3.768 in an unpretentious manner. In this Uniswap unit cost expectation 2023-2024 to 2030, we will in a real sense break down the value examples of UNA by utilizing precise broker cordial specialized examination pointers and basically foresee the future development of the cryptographic money extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Uniswap UNA in a real sense is the administration sort of badge of Uniswap, one of the completely sort of decentralized trades, or so they generally thought. Uniswap essentially is an all things considered, decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It furnishes the Ethereum network with computerized market producers, AMS, and subsequently upgrades the simplicity of trading ERC-20 tokens in a genuinely huge manner. UNA really was sent off as an ERC-20 truly token in 2020 in an especially huge manner. Uniswap UNA awards casting a ballot rights to the clients for taking part in the administration proposition of Uniswap in a truly significant manner. Uniswap stage empowers permissionless posting of ERC-20 tokens, which really is genuinely critical. Any recorded ERC-20 truly token gets its genuinely own trade kind of savvy agreement and liquidity pool on Uniswap, or so they most certainly thought. Clients can exchange ERC-20 tokens with generally ease and can likewise truly add to the liquidity pool in an unobtrusive manner. Liquidity suppliers, LPs, generally procure a 0.3% charge for adding to the pool, which explicitly is very critical. The cost of tokens on Uniswap by and large is resolved in view of the organic market of the tokens held up in the pool, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Uniswap really was sent off in November 2018, and the ensuing updated emphasis V2 and V3 in a real sense were sent off in 2020 and 2021 separately, which especially is genuinely huge. Uniswap UNA value expectation 2023 Uniswap UNA positions 22nd on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization, which generally is very huge. The outline of the Uniswap cost expectation for 2023 in a real sense is really made sense of underneath with a by and large day-to-day time span, or so they in every practical sense thought. In the above diagram Uniswap UNA spread out an adjusting base example in an especially enormous manner. The cost development structure an example that looks like a bow and subsequently explicitly is otherwise called the saucer base example in a huge manner. As a rule, the adjusting base example demonstrates a by and large long-haul value sort of inversion in an unpretentious manner. This example additionally underscores the progressions in the market opinion as the pattern appears to move from negative to bullish, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Financial backers for the most part explicitly need to basically remain careful and time the market well in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that the value breaks and moves extremely past the opposition level, it will sort of enter an affirmed bullish direction, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. At the hour of examination, the cost of Uniswap UNA truly was recorded at $6.43 really as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of UNA could fundamentally arrive at the obstruction levels of $6.624 and $10.853 by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of UNA might tumble to the help of $3.878, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Uniswap UNA value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers fundamentally like extremely relative volume, RVOL, moving pretty normal, MAMA, and kind of relative strength record, RSI of Bitcoin, UNA really are displayed in the outline beneath, which especially is genuinely critical. UNA USDT, RVOL, MAMA, RSI, source, TradingView. From the readings on the outline above, we can sort of make the accompanying derivations in regards to the in every practical sense current Uniswap UNA market in 2023. From the above diagram, we can explicitly decipher that the value activity of UNA basically is like that of BTC and ETH, which basically is very huge. That is the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of UNA likewise increments or diminishes separately, which truly is genuinely huge. Uniswap UNA value forecast 2024. 2025-2030, with the assistance of the very previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern designs, truly let us essentially foresee the cost of Uniswap, UNA, between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030. Further appearance how Uniswap, UNA, value expectation 2023 Uniswap, UNA positions 22nd on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization in an unobtrusive manner. And if Uniswap, UNA, secures itself as a sort of wise interest in 2023, this year would commonly be ideal for the cryptographic money in a genuinely significant manner. Taking everything into account, the bullish Uniswap, UNA cost expectation for 2023 in every practical sense is $10.010. Relatively, on the off chance that troublesome feeling explicitly is set off, the negative Uniswap, UNA cost expectation for 2023 by and large is $3.768 in an extremely huge manner. In the event that the market force and financial backers feeling decidedly raises, Uniswap, UNA, could fundamentally hit $10, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, with future updates and headways in the Uniswap environment, UNA could truly outperform its exceptionally current all-time high (ATH) of $44.97 and mark its new ATH in an unobtrusive manner. Fact 1 in an especially huge manner. What basically is Uniswap, UNA in an unobtrusive way? Uniswap, UNA in a real sense is the administration truly badge of Uniswap, a really decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the extremely smooth trading of ERC-20 tokens in an exceptionally huge manner. UNA for the most part was sent off in 2020 in a huge manner. 2, or so they thought. Where might you at any point purchase Uniswap, UNA? Merchants can exchange Uniswap, UNA on the accompanying digital money trades genuinely like Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, Binx, and Bitrue in an unobtrusive way. 3, which especially is genuinely critical, will Uniswap, UNA record another ATH soon, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Uniswap stage, Uniswap, UNA, explicitly has a genuinely high chance of arriving at its ATH soon in a fundamentally large manner. 4, showing how to, which sort of is very huge. What is the truly current all-time genuinely high ATH of Uniswap, UNA, which by and large is very critical? Uniswap, UNA, certainly hit its ongoing all-time extremely high ATH of $44.97 on May 3, 2021. 5, which especially is genuinely critical. What explicitly is the kind of the least cost of Uniswap, UNA lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? As indicated by CoinMarketCap, UNA hit its unequaled especially low ATL of $0.419 on September 17, 2020, or so they by and large thought. 6, which in a real sense is very huge. Will Uniswap, UNA, truly hit $10, or so they basically thought? On the off chance that Uniswap, UNA, becomes one of the fundamentally dynamic cryptographic forms of money